Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple project which is 3D waves. And I'm going to show you how it works. So it's just some waves made out of cloning. Now let's make it. So let's delete the cat. And now let's make a bubble for making the wave. So I'll just simply select this mode, and then at this side I'll just make it transparent like this. Here I'll select blue, and then I will draw this without an outline like that. And this sprite should be kept a little bit above the center of the canvas, like this much. Now let's start. So when the green flag is clicked, so we need to make a custom block for this. So we need a custom block to set up the sprite everywhere on this area. So it looks like a wave. So what I'll do is I'll make a custom block called set up and take the run without screen refresh and click OK. Now add the setup inside this, and let's code this. So at the beginning it should set the x to minus 180. So the x will be set at this side of the screen. So then I have to repeat. For now, I'll just repeat once for making one column. Wait. I think I should put this here, and wait. I should make the sprite start from below first. So minus 180 here. I need to set the y, so it should be down here, starting down here, and the x is supposed to be minus 240. So this will start from here. So after that, let's create a clone inside a repeat block. I'll just put one now, and then we'll change the values later. And let's take a create clone of myself, and then you have to add a turn block, turn clockwise here, and let's change it to 80. And then it should change to change the x to like 30. So what this will do is it'll make two dots. So let's make this whole row. So let's add 70. Now this will make a row, but you can see that there's a little tilt in this row. That's what we need. And now what we need to do is we need to go to the next row and complete it. So what you have to do is change y by 30. And now let's change the value here to 18. So it will complete this whole place. Let's see how it is. Yeah, you can see the wave. You can see the 3D wave here. Now we need to make it move. It's just very simple. You just need to add this. You just need to add when I start as a clone, whatever, it should just simply rotate. I'll put it the other way, anti-clockwise. And let's add a small value, like 5. And let's test it. Yeah. Now that looks like a 3 wave. And that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.